Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to a new video. My name is Prince Meyson. Today I'm so excited because I'm going to be launching my first course, which is the Beauty Retouching Masterclass. I've been working on this for a few months now. A few of you guys know because you guys are subscribed to my mailing list for this course, but a lot of you guys don't know. So I've been working on this for a while now and I'm so excited that I'm putting this out. So let's talk a little bit about retouching and what retouching is. Retouching is post-processing your images in any software of your choice. It could be Photoshop, it could be Capture One, it could be Lightroom. It just depends on whatever software you use. And in layman terms, I could just say retouching is editing your photos. But beauty retouching takes it a step further. So for example, you shoot a model and she has really amazing skin. Because of how our cameras are nowadays with the high megapixel counts, the amazing dynamic range, you can see a lot more than you actually need. There is so much information in every image right now, and what retouching does is it just helps you streamline your images. It removes anything that is not supposed to be there or what the average eye will not see on a normal day, and it just makes the image look amazing. That's what retouching will do for you. Over the past few years, retouching has become one of the most important aspects of photography. It is that thing that will take your images from where they are to a whole new level. Honestly, look at every photographer out there, they retouch their images. Almost every photographer right now retouches their images, and with beauty images it is very important and almost impossible that you shoot a beauty image without actually doing some type of retouching. In fact, the images that you see, the beauty images that you see that look really good and really natural are the ones that people spend even the most time retouching, and that is what this course is going to teach you. This course is going to teach you how to take an image from 0 to 100 real quick, or from wherever it is to a new level. So personally, I started retouching over 8 years ago, and from the moment I picked up a camera, I knew I wanted to do beauty photography, because back then I'll see the before and after of images and I'll see how different they look after retouching, and I was so interested in how people were getting their images to that point. Over the past 8 years, I've worked so hard to get to that point where I'm taking my images from where they are straight out of the camera to where they are when they are retouched, and there is such a huge difference between both, but at the same time you can't really say that this image has been overly retouched. Now, when I started retouching, there weren't any videos out there that were going to help you retouch better. There were no videos for high-end retouching, and even till this day there aren't videos for retouching dark skin on the internet. There are very few people that actually make videos on how to retouch dark skin, and there is no course out there right now that will teach you how to retouch dark skin. And once you can retouch dark skin, trust me, you can retouch any other skin tone in the world. And that was the problem when I started retouching. There weren't videos like this, there weren't courses like this, and you had to figure it out. That's why it took me almost 8 years to get to this point where I am right now, and this course is going to help you cut that 8 years into a shorter period of time. Now, after this course, probably over the next 1 year, your retouching is going to improve so much that you would actually wonder what would happen if you hadn't taken this course. So what you get when you enroll in this course, you will not only be learning the basics and the fundamentals of retouching, but also the advanced techniques used by professionals everywhere in the world. We are going to start with processing your raw files in my software of choice, which is Capture One, and I believe that is the best software when it comes to beauty retouching. And we're going to move into Photoshop, where you're going to learn things like basic frequency separation and when to use it, to advanced frequency separation, and all the amazing things that you can actually do with the advanced frequency separation, like fixing lips, fixing makeup, fixing your background and all that stuff. And now we're going to also learn micro dodge and burn, global dodge and burn, talk about differences, when to use which and when to use the other one. You're going to learn all these things all the way to balancing skin tones, liquify. We're going to go over all these things. We're going to be retouching 3 images from start to finish, and you're going to have an extra 3 images that you're going to practice with. And also, we're going to have a Facebook group where everybody can compose their images that they retouched, and I can give my opinions on how they can actually get better over the period of the course. So how long is this course? This course is going to last for 6 weeks, and in that 6 weeks, like I said, we're going to retouch 3 images from start to finish. Now, there are other tiers for this course. All you have to do is go to the website, click on it, and learn every other thing that you need to know about this course. After finishing this course, what's going to happen? Your beauty retouching is going to improve significantly, and that means that every other aspect of your retouching, which is not just limited to beauty, is going to improve too. Because once you can retouch beauty images, then trust me, you can retouch any other type of image. So if you're really serious about taking your retouching to the next level, head over to www.retouchingmasterclass.com and be one of the first people to sign up. Enrollment is only open for 7 days, and after that we're going to close it till further notice. So head over to, like I said, www.retouchingmasterclass.com. I'll put a link in the description below. I am really excited. I am so happy that this course is finally out, and I cannot wait to see you there. I'll see you guys. Have an amazing day. Peace.